In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove volume pop-up overlay Firefox windows. If you've noticed a large volume pop-up appearing on your screen whenever you adjust media playback in Firefox, you may find it distracting, especially when watching videos, listening to music, or working with multiple applications. Fortunately, Firefox includes a setting that allows you to disable the feature responsible for triggering this volume overlay. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process of turning it off. To get started, open your Firefox browser. Once Firefox is running, click on the address bar at the top of the browser window. This is where you'll enter a special Firefox configuration page that contains advanced settings. In the address bar, type About, Config, and then press Enter on your keyboard. Firefox will display a warning page informing you that changing advanced preferences can affect browser behavior. This warning is completely normal and appears whenever you access Firefox's Advanced Settings section. Carefully read the warning message and then proceed by accepting it. Once you continue, you'll be taken to the Firefox configuration page, where you can search for and modify advanced browser preferences. At the top of the page, you'll see a search box. Click inside the search box and type Media, Hadrily, Media Keys, .enabled. As you type, Firefox will filter the available preferences and display the setting you're looking for. When the preference appears, you'll notice that its value is typically set to true by default. This setting controls Firefox's integration with hardware media keys and certain media-related controls within Windows. Because of this integration, Firefox can trigger the volume pop-up overlay that appears when media controls are used. To disable this behavior, simply switch the setting from true to false. You can do this by clicking the toggle or switch button located on the right side of the preference entry. As soon as the value changes to false, the setting is updated automatically. Once the change has been applied, Firefox will stop using that particular media key integration, which can help prevent the volume pop-up overlay from appearing while you're using the browser. This can provide a cleaner viewing experience and reduce interruptions when controlling media playback. That's all there is to it. With just a quick change in Firefox's advanced settings, you can disable the feature responsible for the volume overlay and enjoy a less distracting browsing experience on Windows. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,